Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates is currently in India, and his visit is stirring up considerable excitement on social media, particularly due to his Chai Pe Charcha with renowned social media personality Dolly Chaiwala. In a video shared by Gates on Instagram, he can be seen requesting a cup of chai from Dolly Chaiwala. The footage then showcases the tea seller preparing the beloved beverage in his distinctive manner while Gates appears completely absorbed. The billionaire proceeds to enjoy the tea served in a cutting glass and even poses with Dolly Chaiwala. In India, innovation can be found in every corner, including the preparation of a simple cup of tea. Read the caption accompanying the post. The video started with Gates asking for a cup of chai from Dolly Chaiwala. The tea seller then prepares chai using his unique method. As Gates sips the hot beverage, he shares his excitement about being in India. "I'm excited to be back in India, home to incredible innovators working on new ways to save and improve lives and even make a special cup of tea," the text in the video reads. Reacting on the Bill Gates-Dolly Chaiwala meetup, Zomato wrote on its X account, "Up to 60% off on chai even for Bill Gates." Shared over 15 hours ago on Instagram, the video has more than 14 lakh likes and numerous comments. Social media users, particularly those from India, expressed pleasant surprise and delight, describing it as an unexpected collaboration. Some went as far as calling it a multiverse. Meanwhile, Dolly Chaiwala gained social media fame thanks to his unique approach to tea making that caught the attention of many. Along with his distinctive style, his tea stall in Nagpur has become a tourist hotspot, attracting curious travelers. He has even played host to Bollywood actor Nimrat Kaur. With over 10,000 followers on Instagram, he has garnered quite a following. Bill Gates is on a trip to India at the moment. As part of his visit, he is set to hold key discussions with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other stakeholders on various issues. Gates' non-profit organization, Gates Foundation, is engaged in executing some of the social initiatives across India. One of the sectors where the Gates Foundation is engaged with the Indian government is working to come up with a cost-effective therapy for sickle cell anemia. Prior to his visit, Gates informed his followers that the purpose of his visit included understanding how to take India's innovations worldwide. He said he would be learning about India's digital public infrastructure, issues related to urban poverty, climate change, and other things.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.